Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn percentages. So let's have a look at the first question. They gave percentage and we need to change these percentages to fractions as well as to decimals. 56% nothing but for every 100. So 56 percentage is there, so write it by 100. 56 by 100. So if you do cancellation, 4 14s are 4 25s are, so we will get a fraction as 14 by 25. Next, if we change this to decimal, 14 by 25, if you do long division, so we will get 0.56. Next, 6% we need to change to this fraction, so 6 divided by 100. 2 3s are 2 50s are, so we will get 3 by 50. 3 by 50 is nothing but 0.06 in the decimal. Next, 0.04 percentage. 0.04 divided by 100. Next, already here after decimal 2 digits are there and in the denominator again 2 zeros, so we will get 0.1234, so 0.0004. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay. What is the value of 28% of 450 plus 45% of 280? 28%, that is nothing but 28 by 100 into of is nothing but into 450 plus 45%, 45 by 100 of is nothing but into 280. Here 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 5 9s are. Next 2 1s are 2 14s are. 14 into 9 126 plus here 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 5 9s are, 2 1s are 2 14s are, again 14 into 9 126. So 126 plus 126 is nothing but 252. Next question. 2 is what percent of 50? If we take that 50 as 100 percentage, then 2 is what percentage? If you do cross multiply, 2 into 100 divided by 50. 50 ones are 50 twos are, so we remains with 2 into 2 4. So 2 is 4 percentage of 50. Okay, let's move to the next question. 1 by 2 is what percent of 1 by 3? If we take 1 by 3 as 100 percentage, then 1 by 2 will be how much? Again same cross multiply, 1 by 2 into 100 divided by 1 by 3. So we will get 1 by 2 into 100 into 3. 2 ones are 2 50s are, so nothing but 150 percentage. Next, what percent of 7 is 84? What percent of 7? So 7 is 100 percentage. Then 84 how much? If we cross multiply, 84 into 100 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 12s are. So 12 into 100, 1200 percentage. So it means 1200 percentage of 7 is 84. Let's move to next question. What percent of 6.5 liters is 130 ml? So 6.5 liters, first liters, and 130 it is milliliters. So this 6.5 liters I will change to milliliters. 6.5 liters is equals to 6.5 into 1000. So nothing but 6500 ml. So what percent of this 6500 ml is 130 ml? What percent of 6500 ml? So 6500 ml is 100 percentage. Then 130 how much? If we cross multiply, we will get 130 into 100 divided by 6500. Two zeros cancel. Next. 5 2s are 10, 5 26 are 130, 5 13s are 13 1s are 13 2s are. So answer is 2 percentage. Okay, next question. Some number is missing here. That number percentage of 25 is equals to 2.125. What is that number? We need to find out. Some question mark is given. That question mark I am taking is some constant x. So x percentage nothing but x by 100 of is nothing but multiplication. 25 is equals to 2.125. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So we will get x by 4 is equals to 2.125. We want x value. So if we take 4 that side, 4 into 2.125. 4 into 2.125 is nothing but 4 5 is 20, 0 to 4 to 6. So we will get 8.5. So it's nothing but 8.5 percentage of 25 is 2.125. Okay, let's move to next question. 9 percentage of which number is 63? 9%, 9 by 100 into, of is nothing but into, some missing number that I am taking as x is equals to 63. Now if we take this 9 and by 100 to the right side, it will become reciprocal, that is 100 by 9. So x is equals to 63 into 100 by 9. So we will get 9 ones are 9 sevens are. So x is equals to 7 into 100. 700. It means 9% of 700 is 63. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which is greatest? The first one is in percentage, and the next one is fraction, and next one is decimal. So we need to change everything into decimal, so it will be very easy for comparing. So first let us check this percentage. 16 2 by 3 percentage is given. 3 into 16 48, 48 plus 2 50 by 3 percentage. Now this is percentage, so first let us change this to fraction. 50 by 3 percentage will become 50 by 3 by 100, nothing but 50 by 3 into 100. So 51s are 52s are. So we will get 1 by 6. 1 by 6. If we solve it, we will get 0.1666. It continues. Next, fraction is there 2 by 15. If we do long division for this fraction 2 by 15, we will get the decimal, that is 0.133. Next, third one is already we know 0.17. Now if we compare these three decimals, after decimal it is also 1, it is also 1, it is also 1. Next, then after decimal second digit, this is 6, this is 3, this is 7. So obviously this is the largest or greatest of all the. So it means 0.17 is greatest of all the given three. Okay, let's move to next question. If the sales tax be reduced from 3.1/2 percentage to 3.1/3 percentage, then what difference does it make to a person who purchases an article with marked price of 8,400 rupees? So understand clearly, if the sales tax be reduced from 3.1/2 percentage to 3.1/3 percentage, then what difference does it make to a person who purchases an article with market price of 8,400 rupees? It means we need to find 3.1/2 percentage of 8,400 as well as 3.1/3 percentage of 8,400. So first let us check 3.1/2 percent of 8,400. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7/2 percentage by 100 into 8,400, which is nothing but 7/2 into 100 into 8,400. 2 zeros cancel, 2 ones are 2, 42s are. So we will get 7 into 42. 7 2s are 14, 4 1 294. Next, 3.1/3 percentage. 3.1/3 percentage of 8,400. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10/3. That is percentage. So by 100 times of 8,400. Now this 3 will come to the down. So we will get 10/3 into 100 into 8,400. So here 2 zeros will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. So 28 into 10, 280 rupees. So now if we observe these two, he is asking clearly what difference. If it is 3.1/2 percentage, 294, and if it is 3.1/3 percentage, it is 280 rupees. So the difference is 294 minus 280. That is nothing but 14 rupees difference will be there. Okay, next question. An inspector rejects 0.08 percentage of the meters as defective. Then how many will he examine to reject 2? It means some number of meters he will observe, and from those some number of meters he will reject 0.08 percentage. So to reject 2 meters, then how many meters he need to observe or he need to examine on, or else he need to verify. So if you look into this, X number of materials he will observe. From that X material of numbers, he will reject 0.08%, so that he will rejecting total 2 meters. So X into 0.08 percentage can be written as 0.08 divided by 100 is equals to 2. Now this total 0.08 by 100, if it goes that side, will become reciprocal. So we will get x is equals to 2 into 0.08 by 100 will become 100 by 0.08. So x is equals to 2 into 100 by, here after decimal 2 digits are there, so here multiply with 2 zeros by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 ones are 4 25s are. So we will get x is equals to 100 into 25, 2500. So it means he need to examine 2500 meters so that he can reject 2 meters. Okay, let's move to the next question. Difference of two numbers is 1660. If 7.5 percentage of first number is 12.5 percentage of the second number, then find those two numbers. Difference of two numbers. So we have two numbers, the first number and second number. First number I am taking as constant x and second number I am taking as constant y. So the difference is 1660. X minus y is equals to 1660. Next, if 7.5 percentage of one number, 7.5 percentage of one number is equal to 12.5% of other number. If we solve this, 7.5 percentage by 100 into x is equals to 12.5 percentage by 100 into y. Left side, right side, both by 100 will get cancelled. So we remains with 7.5x is equals to 12.5y. Next, here after decimal one digit, here also after after decimal one digit, so we can write it as 75x is equals to 125y. So we will get 25 3s are 25 5s are, so we will get 3x is equals to 5y. Now I will take 3 that side, so we will get x is equals to 5 by 3y. Now this x is equals to 5 by 3y, I will substitute in this equation in the place of x. So x minus y is equals to 1660. Now x is nothing but 5 by 3y. 5 by 3y minus y is equals to 1660. 5 by 3y minus y is nothing but 3 into y. 2y by 3 is equals to 1660. Okay. Now we want y value, so I will take this 2 by 3 that side. So y is equals to 1660 into this 2 by 3. If we take that side, it will become 3 by 2. So y is equals to 2 ones are 2 830s are 830 into 3. 8 is a 24, 3 3 is a 9. So one of the numbers is 2490. Next, we need to find out the second number then. We already have one equation, that is x minus y is equals to 1660. X minus y is nothing but 2490 is equals to 1660. Then I will take this minus 2490 to the right side, become plus. So x is equals to 1660 plus 2490. So x is equals to 0 5 1 4 5 11 1 1 2 3 4. So x is equals to 4150. One number is 2490 and the second number is 4150. Okay, let's move to the next question. In expressing a length 81.472 kilometers as nearly as possible, find the percentage error. So he said clearly we need to express this given kilometers as near, means 81.472 kilometers will be expressed as. Here after the decimal the first digit is 4, second digit is 7, so which is greater than 5, so that one will be added here. Then it will become 81.5 kilometers. Now first we need to find out how much error is there. 81.5 minus 81.472. If we find out the error, we will get 0.028. If we do subtraction, we will get 0.028. Then we need to find out then how much this percentage. So to find out the percentage error, they gave it as 81.472. So that 81.472 is nothing but 100%. Now we got some error, that is 0.028. It is how much percentage? If we cross multiply 0.028 into 100 divided by 81.472, which is equals to, here 2 zeros we are multiplying with, so this will move 2 digits to the right side. It will become 2.8 divided by 81.472. If we do division of these two, we will get 0.034 percentage. Okay, let's move to the next question. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe it for more videos. Okay, the next question is, if 50% of x minus y is equals to 30% of x plus y. 50% of 50%, 50 by 100 of multiplication x minus y is equals to 30%, 30 by 100 of multiplication x plus y. Here in the left side as well as right side, 100, 100 both are in the denominator, so both will cancel. Here numerator 0, here also numerator 0 will get cancelled, so we remains with 5 into x minus y is equals to 3 into x plus y. If you open the bracket, outer one into first one, outer one into second one, outer one into first one, outer one into second one. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into y, 5y. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y. Now I will take everything to one side. This 5x as it is, plus 3x if it come this side, minus 3x, minus 5y as it is, plus 3y if we take that side will become minus 3y, which is equals to 0. 5x minus 3x, 2x, minus 5y minus 3y minus 8y is equals to 0. Now I will bring this minus 8y to the right side. So we will get 2x minus 8y will become plus 8y. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So x is equals to 4y. Now what exactly is question then? Then what percent of x is y? X is 4 times of the y. Then we want what percent of x? This is 4%, nothing but 25%. So it means 25% of x is y, because it is clearly said here x is 4 times of the y. Finished. Okay, let's move to the next question. Raman's salary was decreased by 50% and subsequently increased by 50%. Then how much percentage does he lose? How much percentage does he lose? So what I will do, in the original he got some salary. That salary I'm taking as some 100 rupees. So whatever the original amount or original salary he has, I am taking it as 100 rupees. Now what did Raman's salary was decreased by 50%. here it's very easy because 50 percentage decreased, nothing but half decreased. So now after decreased by 50 percentage, what about his salary? 50 percentage is nothing but half of the salary was reduced. So 100 rupees will become 50 rupees. Then again it was increased by 50 percentage. Again this amount, this 50 rupees, now again this amount is increased by 50 percentage. It means 50 rupees is 100 percentage. So then 50 percentage, how much? If we cross multiply, we will get 50 into 50 divided by 100. 50 ones are 50 twos are 2 ones are 2 25s are. It means 25 rupees extra. So 50 plus 25, 75 rupees. Then what he is asking then, how much percent does he lose? In the original it is 100 rupees, now it became 75 rupees. So how much loss is there in the percentage? In the beginning it is 100 percentage, so that 100 rupees is 100 percentage. Now it is 75 rupees. How much percentage is this? 75 into 100 divided by 100. 100 cancels, so that is 75 percentage. In the beginning it is 100 percentage, now it is 75 percentage. So how much percentage decreased? That is 25 percentage. So his salary is decreased by 25 percentage. Okay, let's move to the next question. The ratio 5:4 expressed as a percentage, then that will be equal to how much? Here 5:4 is nothing but 5 by 4. One fraction, we need to change this fraction to percentage. So simply multiply the given fraction by 100. So 4 ones are 4 25s are 5 into 25, 125 percentage. Till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe it for more videos. Thank you everyone.